Hi there, my name is Dr. Cary Yurkiw. Thank you for joining me today for this webinar where we're going to talk about burnout to breakout. It's something that's common in health professionals, and burnout happens all too often when professionals feel that they're getting overwhelmed. There's too much stress at the workplace. They have a poor work-life balance, and they really struggle with that. And I'm going to go over today why health professionals, in particular ones that are in private practice, run into trouble with burnout and what you can do about it. I'm Dr. Cary Yurkiw. I'm the founder of True North Practice Management. I started this company to help health professionals with their practice because we're well trained on how to help patients, but we don't have a lot of training on the business side of things. And often we struggle with things like administrative tasks, charting, hiring staff, working with staff, other professionals, sometimes working with superiors. And then there's patients that, difficult patients. So there's a number of different reasons why healthcare professionals get burned out, not to mention finances and their personal life that they have to tend to as well. So today I'm going to talk about burnout and how we can turn that around so the health professional can get back on track and break out. So thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And often when doctors, therapists, dentists, chiropractors feel burnt out, there's been months or years of feeling stressed out. They're off track. Their purpose or mission or vision is not working for them. And so basically they're losing hope, becoming disillusioned with practice. Maybe they had a vision of what practice would be like when they went to medical school, but when they graduated, they really found practice to be different than what they envisioned. So that can happen early on in your career. After a few years of practice, it's common for health professionals to start to feel disillusioned and stressed out about practice. And if that's not dealt with, then it can lead to things like burnout. Most health professionals graduate and they just want to see patients. They're excited about getting out into practice. They want to help people change and save lives. And what can happen is all the other things can start to get in the way of their joy of seeing patients. The other responsibilities like managing a practice and a business are just things that were not taught in school. So either you learn from the school of hard knocks and make a lot of mistakes and eventually learn from that, or continue to be in that pattern where you're struggling with your goals and dreams for your practice. It's important to get help before you burn out. So hiring a coach like me here at True North, or hiring a health professional or a mentor is very important to turn around the symptoms, the signs of burnout, and then get back going in the right direction. So what do I mean by that? Well, you want to refocus on your purpose, why you became a health professional in the first place, set goals and dreams for yourself. So reestablish those goals and dreams and set benchmarks so that you can move towards those goals and dreams, change and save lives, reconnect with your mission for why you're a health professional in the first place. And at True North, what we focus on is we want our clients to be happier, healthier, and wealthier in 12 months versus when they first start with us. So at the end of the year, we want to make sure that they're happier, healthier, and wealthier than they were at the start of the year. And so those three things are the pillars of what we work with when we take on a new client and start working with them over the course of weeks and months. If you're interested in booking an appointment with us, I'd be happy to help you. You can click on the link in our show notes or in our bio here at True North on social media. I'm offering a 20-minute free consult right now. It's for health professionals that are in private practice. So if you're a doctor, therapist, chiropractor, dentist, this coaching is for you. 20-minute free consult just to get to know you a bit better, what your challenges are, and for you to find out what we have to offer here at True North. And I'm really looking forward to working with you down the road. I'm thankful that you joined me today. And if you are experiencing some of those signs of stress and burnout, then I encourage you to book that 20-minute consult. It's really easy to do. Just click on the link, choose a day and time, and then we can meet via Zoom or on the phone. Just chat, find out a little bit more about you, and hopefully I can help you to get back on track, achieve those goals and dreams that you have, and eventually lead to happiness, health, and wealth for your career.